Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Start this recipe with some ketchup and dump in the entire bottle. Now we're going to need a bottle of hoisin sauce. Again, I'm dumping in the entire bottle. Now you're going to need some plum sauce. Once again, the entire bottle is going in the bowl. Now you're going to add some sugar, and this will help sweeten it up. Now a little bit of 5-spice powder and some baking soda. Now just mix these ingredients together until it's creamy and smooth like this. And there you have it, Chinese barbecue sauce right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMan'sGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.